Hello, I'm Janessa and I'm the president of Heart of Nature. Thank you for coming to this wonderful event. So this year's Green Festival, our theme is biodiversity. This video explains how our club contributes to biodiversity and diversity.
And we plant vegetables and native plants. Why? Because we want to show that instead of going to the supermarket to buy food, you can just grow your own. We also provide a habitat for native bugs, butterflies, and birds.
We do cleanups at the Toledo Basin and the beaches. We also participate in school events like the Homecoming Parade.
We also had an ACE Climate Assembly where we had a Power Save representative to come and talk to our club about how to make a difference. Whether it's a small or drastic change, everything counts.
Welcome to the Green Festival!
I'm filming.
Welcome!
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 To the Green Festival!
Now we're filming.
Well, again, countdown.
Okay.
Give us the raise your eyebrow.
Welcome to the Green Festival!